Time for your latest Shiba Inu news. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Zach. Thank you so much for stopping back by the channel. Got three big stories for you here related to SHIB. We're going to dive into them all in this video. We recently had a couple whales come in that actually pushed the price upwards here. In the short term, we actually moved up into the 4010 range momentarily. We have since dialed back. We're going to take a look at some of the gains SHIB has had here in the last 24 hours. At the time of this recording, we're up about 2.5%, 3%. And again, dialing back a little bit since these whales came in. But we also have two other important stories to bring you up to speed on. If you like Shiba Inu, you like crypto, make sure you're subscribed right here to the channel. So let's jump into TradingView first. This is the daily time frame, guys. And since we marked some lows back here on November 22nd, we've just been consolidating, right? Really, I mean, it's been pretty much all of November. We've just kind of traded in this tight window, at least after the FTX crash. We've just been kind of trading sideways here. Pretty boring, but boring is good for SHIB because usually we get a breakout, and we actually did get a nice little breakout here. Let's go into the 1 hour. You can see what happened here. Look at that big green candlestick. Took us all the way up into the 10 range. This is, again, the 1 hour view. Now we're dialing back, people taking profits on their Shiba Inu right here. You could see it happening. But this is what happened. Two mysterious whales add 555 billion Shiba Inu. This wallet accumulated $2.84 million worth. One of those wallets did. And that wallet now holds $511 million worth of Shiba Inu. And so that's what happened there. That's why we made a nice little pop there in the price. People are taking profits off that now. But then we also had 37 million Shiba Inu burned in the last 24 hours. A single wallet has helped us in burning 20 million SHIB. And so that's good to see. There's that single wallet burn, 19.8 million. Of course, reported here by shibburn.com. Burns have remained pretty steady throughout the bear market. Of course, we're not at the levels we were last year in 2021. People just don't have the disposable income like they did last year. However, we keep that train moving in the right direction, slowly but surely dwindling away that overall circulating supply. Of course, supply and demand tells us over time this could be a nice catalyst to reduce that supply and obviously drive that demand up. I think these will really ramp up once we get back into a bull market. Of course, Shibarium is going to help us burn more SHIB tokens. That should be definitely something that will help out in a big way. Shiba Eternity is looking to burn a certain amount of tokens as well in terms of their utilizing 5% roughly of the in-game revenue in that regard. We haven't got specifics on that, but I'm sure we will. Now, one other story here. All Shiba Inu indicators are flashing red, but is that a bad thing? So when we look at technical indicators, we're going to find this pretty much across the board, guys, with all major altcoins. Into the Block, great data source. They look at 6 different indicators, most of them moving in the red zone in relation to SHIB. But again, you're going to find this across the board with all tokens essentially right now. The current state of the token, they say, is indeed depressing, and metrics like net network growth and large transactions confirm the thesis. Of course, this article came out just before we had 2 major transactions. In addition to the depressing growth pace and a decreasing number of large transactions on the network, SHIB's experiencing a plunge in profitability. As with the profit taking in the majority of early Shiba Inu holders, the network's profitability dropped to a new low, with almost 60% of all SHIB holders not making any profits from holding the notorious token. Although this is better than a lot of other currencies. And then the big question is Shiba Inu dead? We've seen a lot of this talk lately. We've seen a lot of the is cryptocurrency dead, right? We always get this kind of chatter during bear markets. Now, the market performance of SHIB has not been near the performance most crypto investors would like to see. But again, that's across the board with all major altcoins. But SHIB's not doing bad when you compare it to some of its larger counterparts like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. Ethereum and Cardano in particular here. The current state of SHIB has been caused by a depressed market condition across the board, right? Rather than a problematic nature of the Shiba Inu token or ecosystem itself. So it is not something specific to Shiba Inu as to why it's down. The overall crypto market, the stock market, everything is down, given where we are right now with inflation, recession concerns, a war going on, coming out of a pandemic and what have you. Now, the overall crypto market is up slightly a little bit. SHIB still ranked number 14, just above Solana, sitting at a $5.2 billion market cap, right on the heels of the DAI coin, which sits at number 13. So SHIB still remains strong in the top 15 right now in this bear market. And that was a big question for Shiba Inu. How would it respond going through a bear market? Not only are we going through a bear market, guys, we are going through a worldwide recession and worldwide inflation issue that we have not seen yet in crypto. Yet a new asset like Shiba Inu, which burst on the scene in August 2020, really took off last year in 2021, still showing signs of strength, not going anywhere. Top 15 blue chip, in my opinion, especially with the new catalysts that are coming on the horizon, creating their own network with Shibarium, a metaverse being built out by the Third Floor. Fantastic company. And of course, a lot of future endeavors that have yet to be determined. So looking forward to the future with you guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you guys subscribe right here to the channel so you don't miss any content. And we will be back with more news and information right here from around the blockchain. Thanks, guys. See ya.